that, guys, pain originates from the brain and not that local area. This is the reason why patients that had amputations, where they had an entire leg was amputated, they still feel pain, right? And this is the reason why pain is generated by the brain and not the actual area, right? So if you don't have a leg and your leg hurts, what does that say, right? So guys, I have gotten very good at helping people with pain. I don't know what it is, but I focus on pain and I use my intuition to guide me to see what is the root of this pain. And in all cases, they are energetic root causes, right? I had people who could not walk because they had knee pain. They could not work because of knee pain, right? And that knee pain is basically trauma energies imbalancing an organ. And the organ that is usually associated with knee pain is the gallbladder. This is the reason why a lot of people with knee pain or shoulder pain, they have issues with their gallbladder, right? They would have some of them would, without me even knowing when I'm working on them, I would say your gallbladder is imbalanced, and that was causing the knee pain. And after working with them for like a number of sessions, some of them even after one session with me, no more knee pain, right? And when I tell them about the gallbladder, they're like, I don't have a gallbladder. So do you see, guys, these energies, these trapped trauma energies cause issues for us? And what if we didn't have these, or what if we released them prior to surgeries, right? Could this prevent surgeries? I believe so. Guys, trauma is something that we don't pay attention to, but this is a solution to, almost every health problem you have. And our Western medicine is not geared to address this. We're under so much emotional stress, and there's no one is talking about this. No one is talking about the root of diseases, right? And what we can do. No one is talking about what we can actually do to fix ourselves. There are ways to prevent problems before they happen, right? So guys, knee pain, what you're going to do is you're going to turn it on to the lowest setting. Guys, I'm telling you guys to use this lowest setting because I don't want you to burn yourself. But sometimes I would go for the highest setting. And this has 3 settings. The number 2 is the lowest setting, and it's the cold setting, right? So you're not going to burn yourself. The highest setting gives deeper penetration. So you're going to feel more intense healing with this, because this here is pretty good when it comes to like penetrating anything like any glass or your clothes or the skin or bones, and it gets in there, right? So you want to use the lowest setting, and then you're going to direct the energy, the frequency to where are we? To the gallbladder. So above the belly area, above the liver, you're going to direct the energy to the gallbladder. Just focus on this area here, the right side, and keep the wand there for 10 to 15 minutes, and do it every single day, right? Every single day on this point here. And then when you're done, right, because we want to get to the root of these problems, guys. You don't want to be spinning out wheels, and then you end up you feel like it's not working, and then you're like, this doesn't work. It does work. It does work. If you get to the root of a problem, it has no other choice but your body will release the pain. It will release the symptom. So you get to the gallbladder, and you focus on that for 10 minutes or so every day until you start seeing improvement, until it's completely gone. completely gone. If the pain is a little bit, if it's not 100% gone, it means that your body is still telling you that there's stuff there, right? So you want to continue until it's completely gone. So when you're done with the gallbladder, then you're going to do directly on the knee itself, okay? Because when it creates a subconscious link, because your subconscious mind wants satisfaction. It wants to know that you care, you're addressing the problem, right? Even though the knee physically may be okay, it doesn't matter, you know what, if you feel you had an injury. Stop with the stories, guys. Stop telling yourself my knee hurts because of whatever, because I fell, I injured it, because the doctor said this, because you know, whatever, because I had a diagnosis, because I had this pain for so many years. It will never go away. This pain is stuck with me. I'm never going to be able to walk. I am helpless. I can't do the things I wanted to do. Stop with the stories, right? Because these stories are keeping you stuck, right? You want to change these negative beliefs and thoughts, and start with that. Start with that. So by directing the energy to the knee itself, that's going to tell the subconscious mind that yes, you are addressing it. That's what the subconscious mind wants, right? It just wants to know that you are addressing the root problem, guys, right? I have a lot of experience with this. This is how it works, and you're going to be okay. Get out of this negative zone. So guys, that's it for knee pain. Make sure you access the full guide on other problems I'm going to talk about on how to use this thing. Okay, this is an incredible tool, and you guys should get one. And the guide is going to have information on how to order also. So guys, I'll see you in the next video.